The last exercise, our partner put a force on our body. We suddenly dropped, and then we brought the force back out. And then we drop internally, and you're not producing as much force, so you go back to the drop, and then internally take the feeling and run the energy through it. The next two exercises are to have a training partner put their hand on your crown. So if you put your hand on my crown, now as I run this, you don't have to push me into the ground, just feel. I want to drop the hip, stretch the spine without any hopping. So all your partner's doing is, his feedback is making me very aware if I drop, because it's kind of like, I can feel the reaction there. So there's a small amount on that one, but I want to totally eliminate it. So the amount that you can drop the hip and stretch the spine is how much you can bend the knees with, but the top of your head doesn't actually move. So that's the next exercise. One after that is to touch your partner, relax into the astral plane, and then drop the hip and stretch the spine. So you get the astral quality of chi there, and then you sync that chi. So you take this moment to relax into that astral space, and then do a proper syncing of the chi. So we went from the physical drop, the internal drop, check that the crown is level on the internal drop, and then spend a moment astral breathing. You can spend a minute if you need to, just to breathe into the astral till your partner floats, and then do a proper internal sync of the chi. Okay, have a play.